Corporate India's upwardly mobile employees, double income salaries, perfect segment for at least most of the companies in India to market their products. There's one problem though. What's the medium? We at Launchpad think we are the best solution for this. We have tied up with various business parks, corporate houses across India for their atriums and catchment areas. We have set up kiosks and event areas in these business parks. What we do is we buy these bulk areas from these business centers. The business centers get a long-term secured incomes from areas which was unused for most of the time. For companies, these areas were available at around 50,000 rupees per day per event basis. Now we give them at 5,000 rupees, a straight saving of 90%. In the founding team, we have 3 members. Me, an ex-banker, moved into events. Akshat, he's an entrepreneur with 11 years of experience. Ankur, he's heading a marketing team of a company. Right now, we are starting with one Launchpad, Delhi NCR. We have another 5 lined up in next 6 months. And within one and a half year, we are looking at 20 new launches all across India. With the retail revenue model of 5,000 rupees per kiosk at 70% occupancy, we are planning to close this year at 1.5 crores. Within the next 2 to 3 years, we are looking at a top line of rupees 30 crores. We would like to pitch for investment of 2.5 crore rupees and we are ready to part with 20% of equity. We would be utilizing these funds for expansion in 20 new cities. Most of the funds would be utilized in infrastructure creation, for marketing. Still waiting to launch your brand? It's high time that you give it a real thug. So the Launchpad is ready. Get your brands. We will rock it to the skies.